In this video we are going to show you how to remove the display and the radio from Chevy Volt 2016, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is this 7mm socket and just a blue dashboard removal tool. We already made everything loose, by the way, so this is just for the demo. The first step, you pop the side panel on the passenger side. It just pops out easily. These are the clips. And then you open the glove box, and there are 5 7mm screws, bolts for the glove box compartment. Once you get all these 5 bolts out, here you go. And these are there are 3 screws underneath for the silver bezel. You remove those, and then now you can pop this silver bezel, pop it out. Here you go. You don't have to take it completely off, you can just leave it the side. And then there are 2 more screws, one on the right passenger side and one on the driver side. It's a size 7mm also. And then you pop the cover on the dashboard. Just make it loose like that. And here you can pull the complete monitor and the radio forward. And that's it. And if you need any repair for the radio and the monitor display unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.